Here we are up at Burra's. This is a boiler house, engine house and crusher house for the whopping big open cut mine that we just came from. So it was in use until 1877. Yeah. She's pretty old, built well. Still got the carts, everything. Again, this is still part of that heritage walk they have around Burra. Just get the key, there's a lock gate, open the keys and come on through. And you can actually drive in and you drive through a few different places. We've got power, engine houses and things like that all around here. This is an ore dressing tower from 1870. So Morphett's engine house. Oh, the lights, the lights. A little model on how it works. See that? So that's what this thing is. It's just a whopping big arm pumping up and down. So I'm guessing where we're standing right now.
Yes.
Well, there's a cylinder bolt washer right there. Whopping here. That's been screwed shut and then it's a no-go anymore. Right, maybe to the top of the stairs. I stood on it, you'll be safe. That's what it looks like, whopping big arm pumping out of there. We've got 3 levels to go up. Oh, it's warm up here. Oh yeah, the top of the tower. Some monorail last one. Oh. Now that's this Burra mine 1858. So I'm getting confused now. There's Burra and there's Burra. And the door opens. I hope it doesn't lock behind me. And I hope I don't get shot on by someone. Nah, you'll have to come through that one. Only one. Well, you can see the
Could you imagine getting locked out?
I know, that's what I was thinking, that bloody shut. big pits down under here.
Pigeons going to rails.
I know there's pigeons just here. I was waiting for them to crap on me, to be honest.
No one's
They've got holes up in there.
no one's cleaning or maintaining.
Well, they've tried to keep the pigeons out. Looks like they just keep making more holes. So that worked from 1969 to 1981. That open cut there. 1847. Here we go. A wall around the building just to make sure it's keep the explosions in. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Decent weight to it.
It has, hasn't it? Glad you did it, not me. Oh, here we go. There's a lot of gunpowder in here. It's a fairly big room. To make a big kaboom. Powder magazine. Built in 1847 to store gunpowder used in the blasting of the Burra mine. See, there's Burra again. It replaced the temporary evacuation in a nearby hillside. Building has arched stone roof for strength. The walls are 60 centimetres thick. And the interior of the magazine was originally lined with sheepskin to reduce the risk of sparks. The outside wall of the magazine was added later for extra safety. The outside wall was added to catch the arms and limbs of the people that were inside of the first explosion. Okay, we're at the police lockup and stables. 1847 to 1878. Oh, let's go break into the police station. Is this at all the next one? Gonna say this is the stables.
Yeah.
Still smells like a stable. Caitlin?
Oh, I like it.
Oh, cobblestone floor. Don't drag your feet, you fall over. Ring. Some old bits and saddles on the horses. There we go, pretty sweet. Okay, 1847 the careful walk around there, fall over. Stables on floors all unstable, unlevel. 1849, the township of Red Ruth was surveyed around the police station. Allotments set aside as the police reserve. Oh, we're still inside the building around here, okay. Burra reached a peak of 5,000. And the police consisted of 3 constables and 3 mounted policemen. Okay, so you've got a timber slip for lockup. Oh, look at that. That's a flush dunny. Still usable. If you don't mind a splinter or 2 in the butt. 1857, President's Courthouse was erected. The present courthouse was erected, replacing the rented cottage in Coringa. New cells and stable yards were added. These still stand in addition with the original 1847 stables. The first police station was demolished and replaced by the present station in 1879.